Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to start a publication in the Medium platform. So the first thing that I want you to do now is to open your Medium web portal and connect in with your account. If you don't have already an account, just sign up with your Google or Facebook account. After that, you will need to go to the right section or the right button here, so it will redirect you to the writing or the story window. Here you will need to start your writings and start your publication in writing your story. So for example, how to publish in Medium. Also, you can have multiple options here. For example, let's suppose that I'm writing step one, for example, step one. And if I select my text, I will have some options here. For example, this one, this will be a note, having some notes. You can make the formatting of your objects or texts. So this is, for example, will become a quotation. It can become a subtitle, another title, for example, step one, like this, and go here, step one, one, for example. If I go like that, I will have this little subtitle here, or I have another title for my text, and etc, etc. Also, you can have some formattings, other formattings. For example, take off this one and have like italic formatting, bold. You can give it some hyperlink. You can do whatever you want. Also, you can add some other objects like images, videos, uh, some embeddings. Also, you can add block codes, for example here, and C, for example, something like that. And after you finish, you will need just to click publish and publish now. Also, you can add any featured image if you want. You add tags, for example, philosophy like this, and add the tags that you want. And then you will click on publish now, and you will have your story that will be published. So basically, this is how you do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.